往吉隆坡国际机场。
Power supply and the USB port for taxi and takeoff.